So I'm here the first day of the International Travel Festival, and I'm gonna find out the best deals for each hotel that joined this grand tourism exhibit. So check out these deals, and because this is only available until Sunday, guys, hurry.
Hi, good evening. We're from Shangri-La, Mactan. So if you book a deluxe room for 10,000, that's for 10,700. While for a deluxe sea view, that's for 11,900, and that's already inclusive of VAT and service charge.
Stay at Crimson Resort and Spa Mactan for as low as 6,800 net per night. So that's already with breakfast buffet for two.
For B Mactan, we have 4,100 net per room per night with breakfast for two.
Have 40% off with our room accommodation, and also we have vouchers for sale for our restaurants.
For as low as 3,999, you can stay at Marriott Travel brilliantly.
Stay at the waterfront hotels and get up to 40% off from the published rate.
Good evening and welcome to Radisson Blu Cebu. Our best offer for the ITF is a Feria Rush. It's 1,800 pesos only, good for two persons.
We're giving more than 60% off for our 2-night stay in a family room or a family suite. Grab this rare opportunity only for 3 days here at Cebuanos Resort and Spa.
We're selling deluxe room at 2,799 with breakfast for two persons.
Stay at Costa Bella for as low as 3,600.
Stay in Candaya for the best deal for one-day experience at double eight price.
For as low as 5,500 per person, you can stay at Henan Resort Alona Beach for 3 days and 2 nights with buffet breakfast, buffet dinner, and round-trip to Cebu transfers.
Enjoy your Bohol Beach holiday at South Palms Resort Panglao for only 5,500 per night.
Come and experience a slice of paradise for as low as 8,500 for 2 days and 2 nights or 3 days.
For B Grand Resort in Bohol, we offer 5,800 net per room per night with breakfast for two.
Please visit us for as low as 15,499 for a deluxe ocean view.
Visit us at booth number 11. A Marita Resort can be availed at 15,000 for 3 days, 2 nights for two persons with breakfast, round-trip transfer, and one-time dinner.
Avail of the 3 days, 2 nights package in Minilok, Lagin, or Pangasinan Island in El Nido, Palawan. Visit our booth to avail of our 50% discounts.
For as low as 2,500 net, you can get a room for a single or twin in our superior room. So visit us now.
So for Oriental Hotels and Resorts, you can have the room overnight stay in our Oriental properties for as low as 3,500. So that's for Legazpi, Bataan, and Leyte.
You could book our Sheridan Beach Resort and Spa for 3 days, 2 nights for 18,558.
Avail of our buy one and get one promo for Puerto Princesa and Boracay U Hotels and Resorts. See you there!
Instead of Earth Resort, our newest property is at 5,000 right now, along with all the other properties.
Welcome to the Manila Hotel. You can stay with us for as low as 5,043 net.
Best deal at Asisa, 3,000.
Deal for Canyon is Canyon de Boracay. It's usually 7,500 but we're selling it for 3,000, good for 4 persons.
Guys, you just seen the one best deals for every hotel that is in the ITF 2017. So if you want to see more deals, head down to Ayala Center Cebu this weekend and check all the booths for the best deals for travel and hotel stay.